introduction. I'm waiting on you.
I feel like you can do this.
Hi guys, this is Kaylin Shadle here. And this is
what the channel name is
Dylan,
yet?
and this is the Rideshare Hub channel.
Nice job.
Introduced by, I mean, it's easy enough, it's on my shirt. Which you can get too, if you want to.
Merchclub.co. Check it out.
It's cute. We got girls tees, we got boys tees, we got hoodies, we got it all. So you should wear it because we are.
Cop the merch, guys. 30% off. Link in description.
Yep, so get you some of that. Anyways, I guess I'm taking over. So what is our story
Well,
today?
you were bugging me to do the intro, and I was like, I think you can do it at this point.
Hey, let me. Okay, I finally earned my privilege.
Yeah.
Anyways, I'll let you.
They might not know you yet because you're like new to this channel.
Okay,
so.
you're right. I'm Kaylin Shadle, and I can't roll my eyes. Wanna see? Fun fact. What's another
Can't you
fun
just
fact?
like look over? Just look up and then around. That's how you roll your eyes.
I get lost.
Just look up and then look down.
Look up and down. It's because this eye just goes rogue. If you can roll your eyes, props to you. And if you can't, comment below. Let me know that I'm not the only one.
Doing this? Are we filming like this the
am,
whole
back
time?
to back. So, what are we filming today?
All right, guys. So we're talking about one of Kaylin's crazy Uber rides. This is number 3. So,
dude, when you Uber,
you have a lot of crazy rides.
I literally Ubered probably like 5 times a day for 3 months. So when you Uber that much, you get some stories.
You Ubered 5 times today for 3 months.
5 times a day for 3 months. So 5 times 30 times 30. So 5 times 90 is probably how many Uber trips I've taken, which is
5 times 90 is 450.
math. Guys.
Hey, I went to UC Berkeley. Okay, I'm a smart gent.
And I skipped my senior year. I did graduate though, but skipped it. So clearly, math's not quite there. Anyways,
all right, let's move on.
I've taken a lot of Ubers, is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
And I've had many experiences, and one of them, an Uber driver was psychic.
Oh.
Whoa!
Illuminati symbol.
And so I'll just get right to it.
We're gonna spill all the tea, guys.
So
buckle up.
I was in West Hollywood, and it was really, really late at night. I think probably 4 a.m. And I wasn't at a raging party. Like
Casually hanging out.
No, I actually was nannying. I was nannying, and the woman got home at 4 a.m.
You were nannying?
Maybe she was at a raging party.
Wait, you were nannying?
I was nannying.
Like bread?
I was nannying a child, an infant.
Because you know nan means bread and like
I wasn't nanning, I was nannying.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're nannying.
Pick up on the difference.
You were hanging out with some kids.
I was hanging out with one child. And
one child.
the mom got home at 4 a.m. and I was like, okay, I'm a piece. I'm gonna take an Uber.
So the mom was partying then?
She might have been. Unknown. But I decided to hop in an Uber. I chose Uber X this time because
ooh,
wasn't
fancy
about
living.
to walk. So I was like, I'm doing the X.
You can do Uber Pool where you don't have to walk, right?
Yeah, but then you have to like stop at tons of locations, and I was like driving an hour away, so I wasn't about to stop.
An hour? Jeez.
Yeah.
Were they?
And then it would have been like 5:30. No, they actually weren't.
So did you like lose money?
No, I definitely gained some, but it was like having to Uber. I'm not gonna lie. So, anyways.
Did gag you too?
No.
Whoa. What happened in this Uber ride that made you do that?
It was just like a
moving on, guys.
Shot.
Get your mind out of the gutter, guys.
To the heart.
Oh.
Anyways, so I chose Uber X because I didn't want to get there.
Hey, can you stop mowing the lawn over there, dude?
Yeah, seriously, knock it off. We're trying to film a video here.
Okay, continue.
Anyways,
you guys will just have to have your ears bleed.
Flying away. So I hop in the Uber and it's like 4 a.m. and I'm like delirious and I'm ready for bed because my bedtime's like 9 p.m. Like I can't stay up till 4. And I was gonna get home at 5 a.m. So that's pretty much I was done just trying to like, was me. Cause you know, it's not good to fall asleep in Ubers cause you never know what can happen. At least I'm like paranoid. But I was like, oh my god, trying to like stay awake. Just like that.
So you're like, hi, can you take me to my destination?
Yeah. And this guy, he kept looking back at me. I'm just like, trying to stay awake. Like I do. And he keeps looking back at me. He's like this cute little hippie. He's got like like, you know, little peace signs on his car. He's got like the nice little seat covers that are like all printed crazy. And I was like totally vibing with this car. If it wasn't 4 a.m. I would have been like, let's have a conversation, sir. But it was 4 a.m. and so I wasn't up for a conversation. Because, you know, you're sometimes up and you're sometimes not about it. Take notes. Anyways.
Not everyone wants to talk to you about your grandma's mother-in-law. At
4 a.m. Yeah. Like, why would you even Uber drive at 4 a.m.? Like, I don't know. Like, if you do, you probably make tons of money. But, like, why are you up? Like,
because they're probably the only ones awake. So they get all the rides. But do they choose?
They're like, I'm going to set an alarm for 3 a.m. so I can Uber drive at 4 a.m.?
Maybe he was still up from the previous night. You were.
But being sober? Like, why would you be up at 4 a.m. and you're
Gotta
sober?
make that coin. Make that dollar.
I mean, props to him. Anyways, little did I know.
Maybe he had dreams to achieve.
It's true.
Not everyone's just a dancer.
Not everyone wants to nanny at 4 a.m.
True.
Anyway.
Yeah, who are you to talk? Why would you want to nanny at 4 a.m.?
Well, I didn't know it was gonna like extend till 4 a.m. I was just like,
maybe
at 12,
the Uber
I was
driver
like,
didn't think he was gonna get a ride request from you at 4 a.m. either.
That's true.
Okay.
But this guy, he had something in store with me as a passenger. I'll tell you.
Oh wait, this happened at 4 a.m. That makes the story way weirder.
Right? I mean. So this guy keeps on looking back at me and he's just like...
And you're by yourself, right?
Yeah, he's just like... I'm like...
You're like,
hey,
okay.
bye. And he keeps like driving and just like... And he starts playing like some sentimental like hippie music. And I was about it. I was like, good night, like don't fall asleep. But yeah, like you play your stuff. And he starts like small talk with me. And I was like, I'm Kaylin. Hi, I'm from Utah. I live in LA. I'm a dancer. I'm a model too. And all this little, you know, just small talk. And we finally, like, we're going, we're getting there, an hour, trying to keep the eyes open, and he starts like,
was he a good driver?
He was a pretty good driver.
Yeah.
The music was good, and his car smelled like hippie, like good stuff, but
what
good
do
hippie.
Hippies smell like?
Like sometimes you get like the
he
earthy
smelled
hippie.
like hippie.
Like, you know, like
so
the nice essential oils and like.
So he smelled like dirt?
No, like a hippie usually like
don't shower.
likes plants.
Hippies don't shower.
Yeah, but they like shower themselves with
meant,
essential oils. And,
so
like,
you meant it smelled like body odor? That's what I think of hippies.
No, it was like essential oils with like a.
Because hippies like travel, stay in hostels, and don't shower.
Yeah, but then they like pour roses on themselves and like shower in like.
All right.
Eucalyptus and peppermint oils.
Apparently we have different ideas of hippies.
Anyways, this was the kind of hippie that showered in eucalyptus and peppermint oils. So he smelled nice, and so did his car.
Nice job.
And I was like, sniffing it, like ready to go to bed, ready to pass out. And he turns to me and he's like, I think you have a really bright future. And I was like, thanks. Like, I've been in a car with you for a half hour. You don't know what my future's like. I could be
really
like
bright future, like
I could be like a crazy lady for all you know. Like, this is LA.
Like the sun is gonna
options
come out
are endless
in the future. It's gonna be bright outside.
I was like, okay.
You're like, your phone screen light is just gonna be really
like,
bright in the future.
Be like, oh hey, like getting my good lighting, 2020. No, I didn't know what he meant.
Wait, how long ago was this?
This was probably like 2 months ago.
Oh.
Yeah, so recent-ish.
Before you got your car.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I would have driven my car like.
Yeah,
Even though sometimes I do take Ubers, just because you know.
Parking.
Uber's like.
Drinking.
Yeah, no, parking is a joke. Can we just talk about parking?
Yes.
It is like gnarly.
Don't come to LA if you want to park somewhere.
Yeah, no. And if you don't have like this small of a car too, just you just drive right on by. It is not the place. You have to learn how to like perfectly parallel park. And even when you do perfectly parallel park, there's like 9 signs. It's like solving a riddle, literally, to know if you can park. It's like 4 signs on
top. It's like no parking 9 to 9, but permits accepted, 2-hour parking. I don't know.
It's literally like sometimes it's like 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Oh, this is a valet zone from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
I literally just sit there like work. It just doesn't happen. You literally have to stare at the sign for like 5 hours.
And even if you get it right,
you still get a parking ticket.
Or your car's gonna get towed.
Exactly. I got like racks of parking tickets if anyone wants to pay them for me. I'm just kidding.
Sugar daddies, hello.
That's why you Uber. That's what I'm saying. That's why you Uber.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Anyways, this man looks to me, you know. He's like, you have a bright future. I'm like, duh. Just kidding. I wasn't like that.
Wait, let's do a little role play. Let's say I'm the driver and then you're the passenger. Okay, so I'm driving you.
Oh my goodness. I'm actually like this.
Hey, little girl.
Hmm.
I just have to say, I was putting on my essential oils just right now, and I saw you in the rearview mirror, and you have a bright future. Really bright future ahead of you. Your phone screen lighting is just gonna be so bright. Anyways, 5 stars.
Maybe that's what he was trying to do, actually. I never thought of that. He probably says that to everybody.
Probably,
right?
Yeah.
He wasn't trying to flatter me. He actually didn't think I had a bright future. He literally was just trying to like
he was
get
trying
those
not to
stars
get deactivated. He probably had like 4.6.
I never even connected that. You drivers are sneaky.
Probably trying to get tips too.
I know. I didn't tip him. I should have.
Why? Okay, continue the story.
It was 4 a.m. Anyways.
We're already at 10 minutes.
No
need to stall anymore.
He looks at me and he says, "You have a bright future." And I said, "Thank you." And he's like, I don't usually tell my riders this. I was like, okay. He's like,
You're like me.
but I'm psychic. I was like,
you're like, cool.
Cool.
You're like, so you make up stuff about people's lives that are super vague?
No, he's like, I literally can see you have a bright future.
Anyone
because
can say
of my
that.
psychic ability.
That's like a fortune cookie.
Which, thank you. No, seriously, like if you're watching this, Uber driver, thank you for the compliment. But at 4 a.m. and then he just went on and on about his psychic abilities, and I was like, okay.
Did he tell you anything like specific about your life? Like you have a brother named Jonathan or something?
No, he just said it's very bright, like stay in LA. Like you're gonna do big things. And I was like, noted. It was 5 a.m. Like usually I would have been like, oh my god, I want a hug. But I wasn't about that.
Did he have to like read your palm?
No, he was
like,
driving. That would have been like, I would have reported that man if he was trying to
He's like,
read my
"Hold on,
palm. I would have
let
been
me read your palm."
like, you put those eyes back on the road, sir. My safety matters. No, he just was like, you have the brightest future. I can just see it. My psychic abilities, and I never tell people this, but I just feel the need to tell you that. And I'm all about hippie stuff.
He's
but
probably told
seriously,
everyone the same exact thing.
Exactly, but at 4 a.m., like,
yeah.
what I always think and what I
Did he try to give you a business card to like book him for psychic
He's like, this
session?
is my shop. Come buy some crystals. I probably would have, to be honest. No.
He charges you extra for the psychic lesson?
Yeah. He's
like,
like,
"Alright, that'll be
and
$100.
$20. Oh, $100? Yep. I would have been like, I'm running out of the star. Anyways, we get to my place and he's like, you're gonna make lots of moves in the future.
Oh, I thought he was gonna like
and I was
invite
like,
himself in
okay.
to finish off the session.
And I was kind of scared. So I was like, yeah, that's my house up there. And I pointed to like 2 houses above just because I was like a little nervous. Like,
you wait for him to drive
even
away.
though if he's psychic, he probably
should know where you live.
He already knew where I lived. So there was no escaping. But it turns out he's fine. He's just a cool hippie. And I got a bright future. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. It was really honestly harmless. But the weird part was it was like 4 a.m. And he just went on and on about his psychic abilities.
Yeah.
But hey, I mean, at least he wasn't like, your dog's gonna die or something like super sad.
He's like, your dog will die tomorrow.
You have a horrible future coming. Like, no. It
So
was
did you give him
nice.
5 stars?
I did give him 5 stars. I
Okay.
think I always give 5 stars.
Yeah.
Besides the lady that's, her car broke down. That's for another story. I gave her a good 2.
1 star that.
I've
lady.
never given a 1 star.
Okay.
I hope no one's given me a 1 star.
Well, like it wasn't because her car broke down. It was because she didn't pull over while
Yeah,
her
like-
car was breaking down.
No, situations happen, but it's how you handle it that
Exactly.
matters.
Cool.
Anyways,
Great story.
thank you.
I don't know what you're doing, but
I was just doing a nice port de bras for you dancers out there, showcasing my
what is this? A porta
a
bra?
port de bras. Port de bras. Port de bras forward. Port de bras back.
What are we like praying?
We
Like-
are doing some ballet.
oh, I know how to do.
Little did you know you were gonna need a little ballet.
I can do ballet.
Can you?
I can do.
You wanna have a dance off?
What's the like jump thing?
That is called soda shaw.
I can do a soda shaw.
That's what it looks like, and your legs go.
I was in a hip hop dance class.
Were you? That's how you know ballet moves?
We did it as warm ups. We had to.
You did not do ballet moves for hip hop?
It was like a hip hop class, and the girls were like, "Oh, let's do a warm up. Let's do a ballet warm up."
Work ballet warm up.
And
You guys get yourself into
it was
some
very
hip-hop
embarrassing.
classes.
Let's just say
I
that.
bet you killed it. I bet your legs went.
Yeah, I was like
split.
one of the best guys.
Oh,
actually.
I wouldn't even question it. I could see you just like living your ballet dreams.
I don't think that's a
Just like-
compliment at all. All right, guys, that's
Ballet
it.
dancers are they're cool. Okay, but that is it.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. Make sure to leave the video with a thumbs up and destroy the subscribe button, okay? If you want to see her face ever again, you have to subscribe.
Please, guys, like, come on.
Or if you don't subscribe, you will never. I feel
like we're on a reality TV show and I'm like about to get voted off. Like, please vote. Please call. Please.
Vote for us, okay?
Please.
We need to make it to the next round.
Please help me. Anyways.
Follow us on Instagram. We'll leave it. Maybe if you guys are, if this video gets 100 thumbs up, we'll leave our Instagrams down below. You guys can follow us. So.
You want to? You don't want to miss this feed.
100 thumbs up in the first 24 hours though. And then I'll put it in. Alright guys, thank you for watching today's video. We'll talk to y'all soon. You guys are the best. Sayonara.
Peace out.